Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to restore a deleted file in the Mega app, whether you're using it on your PC or in a browser. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open the Mega app on your desktop, or visit mega.nz in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main cloud drive interface with all your folders and files. Now, to restore a deleted file, we need to go to the rubbish bin. This is like the recycle bin or trash folder on your computer. So look over on the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see a folder called Rubbish Bin. Click on that. Here, you'll see all your deleted files and folders. Mega keeps deleted items for 30 days before permanently removing them. So if it's been less than that, you're good to go. Now find the file you want to restore. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name. Once you've found it, just right-click on the file and select Restore. Mega will move it back to the exact folder it was in before you deleted it. And that's it. You've just restored your file successfully. If the file's no longer in the rubbish bin, unfortunately, it's likely been permanently deleted. So try to act quickly when you delete something by accident. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.